In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Star Wars Outlaws to achieve cheats like ultimate health, credits, and other gameplay advantages. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Enter file, select the latest version, and it will start downloading. Once download done, select the exe file and select the yes option. And now you need to start the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys, I'm gonna edit the money. I'm gonna change this to 99. Select apply and then minimize this and get back to the game. Press the tab key, and as you can see, the money has changed to infinite. To show you guys uh, the proof it's working, I'm gonna remove all this and add 100 and select apply and get back to the game. And as you can see, the cheat menu is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.